So the first thing we did was tape off a rectangle the same size as the photograph. And then we used a little gel medium mixed with warm blue to prep the page. And then mixed in our palette while that's drying. Found the palette, mixed in. We got warm blue, warm red, warm yellow. I made an orange. And I mixed the orange into white and added a little bit of warm red to it because it seemed a little too yellow to me. And then I mixed the blue, warm blue with white, and I added a tiny bit of orange into it so that it dulled down and it didn't look so bright blue. So I've got white, I've got this blue, a really light version, and a really light orange here. So I'm going to start painting just the sky. So it starts out really light blue in the middle, and it blends slowly into the orange, and then it blends slowly into the blue on the top. So what I'm going to do is start with white in the middle using my flat brush. I'll paint white across the center and maybe add a little bit of the blue to it. And slowly blend that into the blue so that it gets darker as it goes up toward the top and darkest up here at the top. Wet my brush a little bit if the paint feels too sticky. Because if the paint's a little wet, a little bit more wet, it'll blend easier. And then the white will blend into the orange on the bottom, so I'm going to clean off my brush so there's not any blue left in it. Dry it, get some of that light tinted orange mix, add that to the bottom. I have more extra tubes, hold on. And maybe a little bit darker down here. And maybe a little bit more darker up there. And then I'm going to let that dry before I start painting the clouds on it. When I